Brought to you by the medical professionals at Carpal Pain Solutions, developers of the Carpal RX.
If you have pain, numbness, and tingling in your hand or fingers, you might have carpal tunnel syndrome. With early symptoms, you may find yourself waking up at night with a need to shake out the numbness and tingling in your hand. Over time, you might experience dexterity problems or weakness in your hand, like difficulty with grasping. Also, if you're one of the millions of people who has diabetes, the probability that you'll have carpal tunnel syndrome increases. Not to mention there's a much higher probability your symptoms will be worse with diabetes. So what exactly causes this condition? Carpal tunnel syndrome is actually a disease that begins deep inside the wrist joint, inside a confined area known as the carpal tunnel. Inside the carpal tunnel, your flexor tendons, here shown in white, are very close to the median nerve, here shown in yellow. The tendons are surrounded by a fluid-filled sheath, here shown in blue. Under certain conditions, like rapid hand movement, that sheath begins to swell and it pushes against the median nerve. And that causes all of the symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome. Nobody knows why or how diabetes and carpal tunnel syndrome are related, but the fact remains that one condition has a profound effect on the other. Of course, you would naturally ask, what can I do to treat my symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome? You don't want to take pain medicines because they just mask the symptoms. And carpal tunnel surgery should be out of the question because of its high failure rate as well as its high rate of patient dissatisfaction. Statistically, 52% of people are not satisfied with their carpal tunnel surgery, while 91% are satisfied with non-surgical therapy. So then what can you do to get rid of your symptoms? The answer is the amazing Carpal RX, the non-surgical therapeutic device that's guaranteed to get rid of your symptoms or you pay nothing, not even shipping costs. The Carpal RX completely cures the symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome in 93% of patients. So you owe it to yourself to try this remarkable product and take advantage of the 60-day free trial offer with every Carpal RX. The Carpal RX is so successful because it uses deep tissue massage therapy and produces the same motions as a therapist when treating carpal tunnel syndrome. The result is that pressure due to swelling is removed from the median nerve, and this results in a reduction of pain and other symptoms. The Carpal RX always has a 60-day free trial. If you're not completely satisfied with your results, you can return it for a 100% refund, including return shipping costs. The Carpal RX is guaranteed to permanently and easily get rid of carpal tunnel syndrome, wrist tendonitis, and repetitive strain injury. Visit the Carpal RX at carpalrx.com.